Welcome to the Health Journey channel. We're embarking on a journey to better understand the intricate workings of our bodies, and today we're focusing on a vital organ, the liver. Your liver is a powerhouse, responsible for a myriad of essential functions that keep your body running smoothly. However, when it's not functioning optimally, your body often sends out subtle signals that something may be amiss. Let's delve into 6 key signs that your liver could be in trouble and why it's crucial to pay attention to these signals. 1. Yellowing of the skin, jaundice. Have you ever noticed a yellowish tint to your skin or the whites of your eyes? This is known as jaundice and is often a telltale sign of liver problems. Jaundice occurs when there is an excess of bilirubin in the bloodstream, which can occur when the liver is unable to process it effectively. It's essential to take note of any changes in your skin tone and seek medical advice if jaundice is present. 2. Loss of appetite and weight loss. Have you experienced a sudden loss of appetite or unexplained weight loss? While these symptoms can be attributed to various factors, they are also common indicators of liver dysfunction. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolism and digestion, so any disruptions in its function can lead to changes in appetite and weight. If you've noticed a significant decrease in your appetite or weight, it's essential to address these concerns with your healthcare provider. 3. Fatigue and weakness. Do you find yourself feeling unusually fatigued even after a full night's rest? Fatigue and weakness are common symptoms of many health conditions, including liver problems. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from the bloodstream and converting nutrients into energy. So, when it's not functioning correctly, you may experience persistent tiredness and lethargy. If you're constantly feeling drained, it's essential to investigate the underlying cause, which may involve assessing liver health. 4. Abdominal pain and swelling. Have you been experiencing discomfort or swelling in your abdominal area? The liver is located in the upper right quadrant of the abdomen, so liver problems can often manifest as abdominal pain or swelling. This pain may range from a dull ache to a sharp, stabbing sensation and may be accompanied by bloating or distension. If you're experiencing persistent abdominal pain or swelling, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and management. 5. Itchy skin. Have you noticed persistent itching, particularly on your arms, legs, or abdomen? Itchy skin, also known as pruritus, can be a common symptom of liver dysfunction. When the liver is unable to effectively remove toxins from the bloodstream, it can lead to the accumulation of bile salts, which can cause itching. While itchy skin can have various causes, it's essential to consider liver health as a potential factor, especially if other symptoms are present. 6. Liver spots. Have you observed any unusual spots or discoloration on your skin, particularly on your face, hands, or chest? Liver spots, also known as age spots or solar lentigenes, are flat, brown spots that often develop as a result of sun exposure and aging. While liver spots themselves are typically harmless, they can sometimes indicate underlying liver issues. If you notice any changes in the appearance of your skin, it's essential to bring them to the attention of your healthcare provider for further evaluation. In conclusion, your liver plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. By paying attention to these 6 signs, you can better understand your liver's health and take proactive steps to support its function. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to addressing liver issues and maintaining optimal health.